Hi everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to discuss about bitwise OR operator. So in my previous videos, I have discussed about arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and unary operators. Please, if you are not aware of all these operators, please go and check those links, and all the links will be given in my description box. We will start with a bitwise operator. What do you mean by bitwise OR operator is all your values will be computed using the bits. Okay, if consider I am using the value as 7, then the binary conversion will be taken place. So the binary value for 7 is 0 1 1 1. I'm writing it in 4 digits. So if you want, you can write it in 8 bits or 16 bits. That is up to you. And for easier understanding, I'm taking it with 4 bits. And always all your elements or all your values will be first converted into bits, and then your operator will start at work. So this bits will be, maybe for example I'm using the value 7 and value 3. The binary conversion will take in place first, 0 1 1 1, and for 3 it is 0 0 1 and 1, right? So this is how the binaries will be converted. So next, what is the working or what is the operator used for bitwise OR is this one. So this is the operator used for bitwise OR. What it will do. So what is the truth table or how the combination? And here we are going to consider only two values, either 0 or 1. So we are going to check for all the possibilities and what are the outcomes of this bitwise or will be discussed now. So before that I'm just drawing a table here to make it more clear. So I'm going to use the combination of the values. First will be value 1, and next is value 2, and the third is result of the OR operator, right? So if I'm considering the first value as 1 and the second value as 1, then both the values are 1, so it obviously returns 1. And what if I'm giving the first value as 0 and the second value as 1? So here the value 1 will be displayed as the output because it will check at least one value is 1 or not, at least for the minimum number of ones. Okay, and next is 1 and 0. This is the third possibility. So here it will print 1 because here it is performing OR operation. But if you are using AND operation, then it will check if both the values are 1 or not. If both the values are 1, it will display 1. That is in the case of bitwise AND operator. But it is in the case of bitwise OR operator, if at least one value is 1, then the output will be 1. Now, we will use the same value 7 and 3 for checking the answer, okay? So, here both the values are 2 and I will give name for each and every case as C1, case 1, this is case 2, and this is case 3. This is just for our understanding, okay? This is case 4. So first one, both the values are true. It comes under which case? It comes under case 1. So what is the output of case 1? The output of case 1 is 1. And next is also comes under the case 1. So the output is 1. So what is this one? 1 and 0. It matches with case 3 and the output will be 1. And what about this? It matches with case 4, and what is the result for case 4? It is 0. So what is your final output after performing 7 bitwise or 3? The output will be 0 1 1 1, and this will be displayed in a decimal format, and the value will be displayed as 7. Yes, and here I am going to just execute it with the help of NetBeans IDE, and how to create a new project and the installation of NetBeans will be, the videos will be available in the same playlist. Please check that too. 7 bitwise OR operator 3. If I execute this, then I will get the value as 7 as discussed in this example. Now, if I use some other values, for example, 10 bitwise OR 8. Now, what is the binary value for 10? The binary value for 10 is 1010. And what is the binary value for 8? The binary value for 8 is 1000. Now, it will perform the bitwise OR operation based on the conditions given in the table, and the output will be printed like this, in again in the decimal format. Okay, I hope you are clear with all these things. And what are the key takeaways from this video? The first key takeaway is the what is the symbol used for bitwise OR operator is this, and always it deals with the binary values, that is 1 and 0. Okay, and what is the next thing? This operator, this bitwise operator is a binary operator. What do you mean by binary operator? This particular operator needs two operands for its execution. Okay, and the next one, you have to know what is the combination of all the four values and what is its output. Yes, this is also one of the key takeaway. Fine. If you have any doubts or any clarifications, please post that in the comment. And if you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel. And I'm going to post. I have started posting all the basics under Java programming. Once, if all the basics are over, then I will start with the programmings. Okay, step by step. I'm going to teach all the programs step by step manner. Fine. So thank you.